Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to downgrade from Windows 11 to Windows 10 without losing your personal files. First, open the Settings app on your computer. Next, click on Windows Update, then select Advanced Options. After that, click Recovery. If you upgraded to Windows 11 within the last 10 days, you'll see the Go Back option. This lets you return to your previous version of Windows using the built-in rollback feature while keeping your personal files. Click Go Back and follow the on-screen instructions. Windows will ask why you're rolling back, then it will begin the process. Keep in mind that while your personal files will remain intact, you may need to reinstall some apps or reapply certain settings after the rollback is complete. If the Go Back option isn't available, it usually means the 10-day rollback period has expired or the previous Windows installation has already been removed. In that case, you'll need to perform a clean installation of Windows 10, so it's important to back up your files first. Once the rollback is finished, your computer will restart and you'll be back on Windows 10. And that's it. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.